If you're trying to import a video into Adobe Premiere Pro and you get this error message, you say file import failure. With error message, the importer reported a generic error. Now, this tutorial will guide you on how to resolve this issue. Make sure to follow these instructions very carefully. Now, the fix that works for so many people, you can try to change the file location. For example, you've opened Adobe Premiere Pro and you're trying to import, let's say, this video. So let me show you. For example, you're trying to import this video, which is found on documents. For example, if you're trying to import it and just give you this generic error. Now, what you need to do, just try to change the file location. Go to your document or anywhere where your file is found. For example, I can just copy it, cut it just like so. Go to your downloads and then I'm going to paste it here. After changing your file location or that video that you're trying to import, then make sure to just try to import it again. So after changing the file location, it was found on my documents and then I said to downloads, then try to check if the problem has been resolved. If you're still facing again the same issue, change the file extension from .mp4 to .mts. So if this is a video, try to change the video extension from .mp4 to .mts. So let me show you. Now, this is my video, which I've just found it on my downloads here. What you need to do, go here to view on your PC, then select show, and then you'll see file name extension. Now, make sure this is checked and the file name extension will be shown on your file. Now, right click on it and then select here on rename, and then make sure to set it to .mts. So just like so, it has been written here .mts. Make sure it's written here .mts, and then click enter to save the file. Click yes, and then after that, try to import this video, and hopefully this will be able to resolve the issue. Now, if you face this problem on Mac, which say the importer reported a generic error, some people face this issue on their Mac able devices. I found this fix. Maybe you can try this fix, can also help you resolve the problem. Now, just make sure to quit Premiere Pro if you're on Mac. Open Premiere Pro, and before doing anything else, follow these steps. Go to Premiere Pro's preferences, then go to Premiere Pro preferences. Once you open preferences, you'll see this media cache. So click here on media cache, and then you'll see remove media cache files. So once you see this remove media cache files on your preferences, make sure to select here delete. Now also select delete, then make sure to select delete all media cache files, require restart, and press OK. So make sure to check here delete all media cache files, requires restart. Click OK, and your Premiere Pro will restart, and hopefully this will be able to solve the problem. Now, if you, after performing these actions but are still facing again the same issue, they've say here, did it help? In case this solution didn't help, it is also possible that the media files you are trying to link are not fully synced to your hard drive. For example, if you're using Dropbox or Google Drive, these services offer cloud-only files where the content of these files has to be synced to hard drive first. If your project folder is on this kind of cloud folder, make sure that files are fully synced to the hard drive. See manual for cloud storage provider. So make sure the files are fully synced to the hard drive. See manual of your cloud storage provider. Make sure to follow these instructions very carefully, and I hope this will help you to resolve this issue, which say the importer reported a generic error. Let me know in the comment section if it has helped you, and see you next time.